Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Science Silver Zone Comprehensive Book. Chapter 3 Grouping Materials and Their Separation. Video Part 1. Question number 1. To describe how much matter is there in something, we use the term mass. How much amount of matter is present in anything, that is your mass. So first answer will be option C. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is correct? An object will float on the surface of water when its density is less than that of water is in which is it is placed. So no, an object will float on the surface of water when its density is less than that of the water in which it is placed. Okay, an object will float when its density is more than that of water in which it is placed. So answer A will be correct. If the density is low, then the object can float. है ना? The second answer is option A. Question number 3rd. Which among the following is an element? Water. Water's formula is H2O. It is the compound. Sugar is your C11H22O11. This is also compound. Washing soda also compound. It is sodium carbonate. Hydrogen is the element. The third answer will be option C. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a matter? Water is a matter. What is matter? Matter means which we can touch, which can occupy space, and we can that has mass. Those are the matter. But heat we cannot. Heat cannot occupy space or it does not have mass. So that's why answer will be B. Fourth answer is option B. Question number 5. Which of the following is not soluble with water? So copper sulfate soluble with water. You can see here. Alcohol is soluble with water. Wax is not soluble with water. You can see. The fifth answer will be option C. Question number 6. Which of the following statement is correct? Mass of an object varies at different places. No, mass is the constant. Okay. Weight of an object varies at different places. Yes. At moon, the weight will be 1/6. Okay. And at earth, it will be the different weight. That's why weight of an object depends on the gravitational force. So it will vary as per the gravitational force. The sixth answer will be option B. Question number 7. Which of the following gases does not dissolve in water? So oxygen can dissolve, carbon dioxide can dissolve, ammonia can dissolve, but methane cannot dissolve. The seventh answer is option C. Question number 8. Hand picking method is effective in. The hand picking method, you can just see it is effective in the solid mixture. Okay, the eighth answer will be option B. Question number 9. Which of the following is essential for performing winnowing? So soil is compulsory? No. Actually, due to the wind, the lighter particle just go away and the heavier particle just go down. Okay. So wind is the compulsory. The ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. Density of an object refers to. Density means the amount of substance present in unit volume. Amount of substance present in unit volume. So it means mass per unit volume. Amount of substance means mass per unit volume. So this is option D. 10th answer is option D. Question number 11. A basket containing the following material: iron sheet, glass tumbler, tissue paper, and lens of spectacles. Which of the following material is the transparent? Transparent materials are those materials through which light can pass. Okay, so glass tumbler, the light can pass. Lens of the spectacle, glass can pass. So 2 and 4 will be the answer. That is in the option D. The 11th answer will be option D. Question number 12. Match the following. Metals. Metals are lustrous in nature. Lustrous means it is shiny in nature. Ground glass, it is your transparent. Wood is dull appearance, and alcohol is the translucent. Okay. So answer will be 1C. It is in the option C. The 12th answer will be your option C. Question number 13. Which among the following is lighter than liquid water? So you can just see copper cannot be, all the metals are heavier than water, glass are heavier than water, iron are heavier than water. And ice, you can see the cold water is the most heavy, and then the warm water, but ice is your lighter than the water. Option C. 13th answer will be your option C. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a compound? Water is the compound. Sodium is the no. Sand is the compound. Washing soda is the compound. Sodium is the element. The 14th answer is option C. Question number 15. Which of the following is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen? So water has hydrogen and oxygen only. Washing soda is your sodium carbonate. So it has your sodium and carbon and oxygen. Common salt is your NaCl, sodium and chlorine. But vinegar has the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The 15th answer is your option C. Question number 16. Which one among the following material will not float on the surface of water? Sawdust float, ice float, petrol will float, silver will not float. The 16th answer will be option D. Actually, the density of the silver is more than the water. That's why it will sink in the water. Okay. Question number 17. The basic unit that makes up all the matters are substance, element, atom or compound. Makes up all the matter, the atom is the basic unit. 17th answer is option C. Okay. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a property of wood? Hardness is not a property of wood. Dullness is not a property. Lustrous. Lustrous is not a property because wood cannot shine. Okay. 18th answer will be option C. Wood is hard. Wood is dull in appearance. Wood is opaque also. Okay. Question number 19. The difference in the taste of different compounds is because they have different colors, their molecules are different from each other, their molecules are same, or all of the above. Actually, their molecules are different from each other. That's why there is the different taste. Option B. 19th answer is option B. Question number 20. Which of the following is not an element? Oxygen is an element, zinc is an element, mercury is an element, and sand is the silicon oxide. So that's why it is silica. It is not an element. 20 answer will be option D. Sand is the compound. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.